my friend, and welcome. So you've been YouTubing, watching videos, maybe even doubting yourself, but let's cut through the noise. I'm going to show you step by step how you can become a digital marketer, even if you've got zero tech skills, zero experience, zero following, and a house full of chaos. Stick around to the very end because I will be sharing with you real proof of real moms just like you earning a passive income working just 2 hours a day around the schedule. Hey, if you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from Partner with Angela. I'm originally from Malawi in Southern Africa, and I'm studying for my degree in business here in Dublin, Ireland. I help busy moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business so they can finally fire the boss and get to spend more quality time with their family. So digital marketing in 2024 doesn't mean you need to be a coder, an influencer, or a tech wizard. As a mom, you have all these skills that you're using to just balance your day-to-day life, right? So you might be on social media, you might be consuming content, and you definitely are receiving emails, clicking on emails from companies out there. So as a digital marketer, you can learn to turn these skills, these things that you're actually doing anyway, into skills that could earn you a passive income, right? And you could really learn to connect with your target audience working from home around your schedule. So the most important step is for you to actually do your research and make sure that you pick a product that's in high demand, because you want to be passionate about what you're promoting, but you also want to pick something that people are actively looking for. That way it's easier for you to connect with your target audience. The second thing is you need to make sure that you plug in to a done for you automated marketing system, because the whole point of you becoming a digital marketer is not to keep exchanging your time for money, is for you to leverage automation, leverage marketing systems so that you can be out there doing the things that you love with your family while your system's out there working for you. Now, once you have your automated marketing system set up, the next step is to have your business discovered, right? Have your business discovered. And the best way is, if you don't want to spend money on paid ads, the best way is to leverage social media. Did you know that you could turn your social media profiles into storefronts, so you could have different stores on different platforms, right? So you might be on social media, on TikTok, on Instagram, whatever social media platform that you're on right now. You could actually turn that into your storefront, and you could then use that to connect with your automated marketing system. And the way you do that is, the next step is where you learn to create content. There's different types of content. This is a long form video that I'm creating. You can create short form videos, you can create images, you could do blogs, you could do whatever, but you need to create content. Content is your real estate online. It's your retirement plan, because once you have your content out there, it's out there working for you 24/7, just like your automated marketing system, right? So the goal is to create content that resonates with your target audience and get them from social media onto your automated marketing system. And the last step is really for you to master a 2-hour workday, to learn how to focus your attention on getting your income producing activities done in 2 hours a day. So some tips for busy moms is, you don't have to spend hours and hours or 8 hours a day building your business. As long as you know exactly what you need to do, you can actually use nap times, evenings, when kids are doing activities, but when you have little pockets of time in your day when you would usually just be maybe binge watching Netflix or social media, you could actually use this into focused time where you're building your business, right? So a 2-hour workday is actually possible if you focus your attention on income producing activities. Now, most moms get overwhelmed and confused because they're trying to learn everything. They're trying to be everywhere, do anything. And the best way to learn is to, like the way you eat an apple, one bite at a time, right? Don't try to consume it, or information after information. The most important part is that you apply, you take action on what you're ready, on what you're learning in bite sizes. You focus on one social media platform, you focus on one strategy, you master that, and then you move on to the next one. So don't wait. Another thing is, most moms are waiting until the perfect time, but guess what? There will never be a a perfect time. Something will always come up. It's called life, right? So you don't wait to feel ready. Just get started. Just start by taking action. And the other thing is, most people, and it's happened to me over time, where I compare my beginning to somebody else's middle or end, right? So you see all these people making all this money, and you're comparing themselves to you, but you don't know how long they've been in the game, the skills they've had to learn, where they were like a year ago. They could have been exactly where you are, struggling to actually crack the code, right? So it's your stay in your lane, focus on your income producing activities, focus on your learning, and that's the best way for you to move forward, right? So what I want to do is, last year, I came across this proven step-by-step six-figure blueprint that's showing me how to attract my perfect customer using social media, so I no longer have to bother my family and friends or slide into strangers' DMs. So what I want to do is I want to share my screen and share with you the bonus site of this live interactive coaching and mentorship, and introduce you to some moms, busy moms, who are actually using this business to earn a passive income. So this is our community. We have over 54,500 members in our community. They're everywhere, all over the world. They're in Africa, Europe, Asia, South America, North America, Australia, Indonesia, New Zealand. They're everywhere. And what I love about this program is, even though it's a one-time payment with no monthly subscriptions, we actually get weekly live interactive coaching and mentorship from 6 and 7-figure mentors. So this is Tim that we had a mentoring earlier this morning. We have tech calls if you need help setting up your system. We have mindset training coming up on Thursday. So these trainings are live, interactive. You can unmute yourself, ask questions, get live coaching and mentorship. Very, very powerful. But I also want to share with you this classroom where we get access to additional tools and resources to help us stay focused on building our business. But my favorite tool and resource is the 90-day sprint, where our multi-millionaire, she's a grandmother of 6 children and 5 grandchildren. She went from 0 experience, 0 technical skills, 0 following, to earning over $1 million in 17 months. She's gone on to earn $6 million in 3 years. Now, what she does is, for 90 days, you can see we're on day 65. She sends us a video which appears in here. And in that video, it's about 5 minutes on average. She just gives us sometimes mindset, sometimes skill set. Right now, she's answering members' questions, right? So day 65 is all about having the confidence and the clarity and having a bold move, right? So it's just helping you get into the right attitude, the right state of mind. So what would it be worth for you to have a multi-millionaire take you by the hand every day for 90 days to help you stay accountable to building your business? What if you had our 6-figure mentor, our multi-millionaire mentor, and 6-figure coaches do the selling and the telling for you? That's what happens in this free webinars. Every week we have these free webinars where our mentors do a Zoom where you can invite your guests, and they actually give you resources to help you promote that as well. We have mindset training by a hypnotherapist, full of exercises to help us get rid of our stinking thinking. Social media training, it's the mentoring. These are, you'd have missed them, so the replays are there. 6 figures in 6 months training. Some members actually earn 6 figures in 6 months. So this is the training. And we also have a content vault where you can download content onto your social media and upload it onto, upload onto social media. But lastly, here I want to share with you some wins just to give you an idea what's possible with this community, right? Salil, 23 hours ago, said made first $900, and she was 3 weeks in, right? Imagine 3 weeks from now making your first $900. Vaneshri, from 0 to 2 sales, not even 2 months. This amazing community. I've already made my first 2 sales. Beyond excited and grateful. Congratulations. Let me see, my first sale, Patricia, 5 days ago after 5 months. Elizabeth, 900 just before I was going to bed. Proven system. Grateful to belong. Congratulations. Kevin, 2 days ago, $900 while helping at the church nursery. She even shares a screenshot of that money coming in. Absolutely amazing. Congratulations to Kevin. Right, so that was a Stripe payment paid Italy and directly to her. Wendy is one of our six-figure mentors. Just 5 hours ago, she made $1,500 while glamping. Right, so glamping trip paid for and all that. Remote and location free income, friends. Right, so absolutely amazing. The Mindy saying the weekend off right with a customer slept in and woke up to a sale. So she shares that screenshot there as well. Absolutely amazing. Congratulations. And then we keep going. Clark, 13 days ago, guys, I made my first $900 as a 17-year-old. Imagine being 17 years old and starting to learn these skills. That's absolutely amazing. Jean, 44 minutes ago, made $100, her first sale. Congratulations. So these are all Aseto, another $100. Congratulations. Melanie, 1 day ago, 900 while hanging out at the pool with the family. Congratulations. Nima, a day ago, $100 sale. So these are all the different. Yvonne, 16 hours ago, $900 ding while sleeping. My new week has opened doors for me. Magdalene, 15 hours ago, $200 sale, and so on and so forth, right? So what we have here is a proven step-by-step blueprint that anybody can use. You can start from nothing, no experience, no technical skills, no following, and you can start to learn the skills to build a successful digital business. Now, this year, I'm on a mission to work really closely with 100 moms to help them launch and grow a successful digital business so they can finally fire the boss and get to spend more quality time with their family. So if you'd like to learn more about our proven step-by-step blueprint, type blueprint in the comments and I can send you a free copy of our Freedom Formula Blueprint. Now, I'll deliver this blueprint to your email. Make sure you check your spam, you check your promotional folder. And once you've gone through the blueprint, respond to my email. Let's have a conversation because I'm here to help you make an informed decision. Now, if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a fantastic